Hey guys, welcome to my channel Knowledge World. Now I'm coming with the new videos, but before of that, if you are coming first time in my channel, so you could check out my playlist in which there are different type of videos are coming, like the ERP, Google Sheet, Excel, and so on. So if you are interested for some of the subject which are already mentioned in this, so you could check it out and share with this your friends. So guys, let's start the today's video. So today's video is based on the MIS. In MIS, how the data information, knowledge and wisdom are used. I am informing you regarding that. So let's start with MIS. That full form of MIS is a management information system. In the context of management information system, the term information, knowledge and wisdom represent different level of abstraction and value associated with the progressing and utilization of information. Let's explore more each concepts like data, information, knowledge and wisdom. In case of data, definition defines the data refers to the raw, unorganized facts or symbols that represent something. Characteristics so is the data is typically in the form of number, text, multimedia, and it lacks context or meaning on its own. Example, a list of number example that 101, 102, 103 or random words is called data. Next is information. Information is a data that has been processed, organized and get context to make it meaningful. So you can say the information is based on the data. The characteristics, information provide answers to who, whom, what and when questions. It is structured and can be used to decision making. Examples like organizing the list of numbers as a 101 as John, 102 Mary, 103 Bob, and this provides the information. Next is knowledge. Knowledge is information that is constructualized, interpreted and linked to the other information, creating a deeper understanding. So you can say it is a deeper the enhance of knowledge. The enhance of information called the knowledge. The characteristics is the knowledge involves understanding why and how and often include instinct patterns and relationships. It is more abstract and requires experiences and expertise. Example that is understanding the relationship between the customer preferences and sales trends, enabling the prediction of the future trade market. So next last is that wisdom. The wisdom is the ability to make sound judgments and decisions based on the combinations of the knowledge, experience and good judgment. The characteristic is wisdom goes beyond the knowledge by the interpreting values, ethics and long-term perspectives. It is involved the application of the knowledge in the practice and ethical way. Example, the business leader making a strategic decisions that not only considering the market trends but also aligns the company's value and long-term goal. So this is the wisdom. So all the four characters are based on data, but if you refining data in multiple levels and getting more and more informations, that is called information, then knowledge and then last wisdom. So in the conclusion part, we can say in the context of MIS, these concepts form a hierarchy where data is processed into information, information is interpreted and contractualized into knowledge, and knowledge is applied wisely to make an informed decision. The effective management of this progress is crucial for the organizations to leverage their information resources for the strategic processes. So now you got it that how the MIS is important in the current organizations and how the hierarchy is work on the data. If in the interviews or any other fields, if some type of information or this type of questions is coming out in your interviews, so you can give a better and good answer to your interview. So here I am closing my this video and I will come in next video in next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye.